Namaste, welcome to Sesrekha's Kitchen. Today I am making cranberry pickle in easy steps. I already posted cranberry pickle recipe. It is so good, but this is going to be little bit easier way. To make a cranberry pickle, I took one 12-ounce bag of cranberries which I washed and drained. I am cooking these in a pan which has 1 teaspoon of oil. Keep stirring them in between. These are 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries. These are available in this cranberry season in most supermarkets. These are available only in November-December months. You can buy a couple of bags extra and freeze them so you can use year round. I made a lot of recipes with cranberries. Please do try them. I will give the links below. I covered the cranberries and cooking in the low flame. Here I dry roasted 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. These are cooled down. Now I am going to make a fine powder with these. Okay, here I made a fine powder with fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds. I am going to cover it and keep it aside so it won't lose the aroma. Now let us check the cranberries. They cooked so well. What a beautiful color. I am crushing the cranberries with the help of a ladle. You can use a potato masher if you want. If you want your cranberry pickle like a fine paste, there is no need to crush these with the ladle. You can just grind them in your blender into a fine paste. But this time I am not going to grind it. I just want it little chunky, so I am crushing with the ladle. Now all the cranberries are nicely crushed, but as you can see, it's not a fine paste. I'm going to turn off the stove. Now we will add a few ingredients to the cranberries. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sea salt. I will add the rest of the salt later, but for now I'm just adding 1 tablespoon. 1/3 cup of red chilli powder. 1/3 cup is little bit more than 1/4 cup. I'm using 1/3 cup of red chilli powder. 1 tablespoon of jaggery. You can use stevia and skip jaggery. And here I am adding powdered fenugreek and mustard seeds. Now mix them well. I also added half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. After mixing well, we will do the seasoning. You can actually store this mixture in the refrigerator, and whenever you want, you can take it out a small quantity and season it. But I am not making a large quantity, so I am going to season all of it. To make a seasoning for my cranberry pickle, here I am heating about half a cup of sesame oil in a pan. While the oil is heating, let me show you the other ingredients. I have some chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 red chilli, and some curry leaves. Also I have some hing. Now the oil is hot. Adding chana dal, urad dal, mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Stir them. 1 red chilli. Now adding the garlic. While the garlic is frying, adding some hing and curry leaves. Now the dals are fried well, and also the garlic. Now bring down the flame to low and add the prepared pickle into this seasoning. You can add the seasoning to the pickle or add the pickle to the seasoning, whichever way is convenient for you. Now carefully mix it well. After taking the pickle into the bottle, then you add more oil to cover the pickle so that it won't get fungus. And make sure you don't use any wet spoons or wet hands. Switch off the flame and give a taste test. If you want a little bit of jaggery or a little bit of salt, you can go ahead and add now. I had to add a little bit of salt only, and the taste is super delicious. This cranberry pickle will go with rice or chapati and also with idli and dosa. I really like to read your comments. So please try this recipe and send me your comments. If you like the recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you all make this pickle and enjoy. And please do try my other cranberry recipes also, like cranberry dal, cranberry rasam, cranberry chutney, cranberry rice. Oh my god, that is so delicious. So please try those also. I will give the link below. Please check out my Telugu channel also for more delicious recipes. Don't wait and get some cranberries today and make the pickle and enjoy.